Students, so today we will learn something new about the great Indians. Okay, we will learn about the great Indians. So here we can see number A. Look at the pictures and write their names using utility box. So first picture we can see here. Who is he? He is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, who is he? All of you do this. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Very good. Now the next one.
Bal Gangadhar.
This picture is of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, very good. Very good. No one will shout. Keep yourself mute. Everyone will keep themselves mute. Now this picture is of this great Indian Kalpana Chawla. Very good. Okay. Students, you all will answer me very slowly. Okay, no need to hurry.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. No need to shout. Okay. Just
আমার প্রেজেন্টে করে দেবেন আমি লেট জয়েন গুড মর্নিং ম্যাম
good morning, Mera. Okay, children, don't worry about that. Yes, and the last I will take. So this is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Where I mute everyone, all are shouting. Children, if that's the reason that I am keeping all of you mute, because you are not listening to me. If you do this same type of behavior, it is very difficult for me to make you unmute. So please follow my instructions, everyone. Whenever I enter the class, all of you keep yourself mute. Several times I'm saying to all of you. Okay, now remain muted only. Okay, I've muted everyone. Now follow everything what I am teaching now. So all of you start writing in your book. So first picture is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. All of you start writing. Write the first picture is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Write everyone. See the utility box and write. First picture is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. See the utility box, yellow color utility box, and write from there. The spelling you see, check the spelling and write. So number 2, this picture is of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. The third picture is of Kalpana Chawla. Okay. The fourth picture is of Saint Mother Teresa. The fifth picture is of APJ Abdul Kalam. So I'm showing you once again I'm repeating. See the first picture you can see, children. It is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Second picture belongs to Subhash Chandra Bose. Third picture is of Kalpana Chawla. Fourth picture is of Saint Mother Teresa. Fifth picture is of APJ Abdul Kalam. Understood, everyone? Now 1 minute, just wait. I will show you. Preview. I will preview once again. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak. About him, I will say you something. Okay. So who was Bal Gangadhar Tilak? No one will raise the hand. Okay. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak. About Bal Gangadhar Tilak, I will say you some few words. So this is the picture of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So who was Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Bal Gangadhar Tilak, born as Keshav Gangadhar Tilak. Okay. He was an Indian nationalist, teacher, and an independence activist. Okay. So who was Bal Gangadhar Tilak? He was an Indian nationalist, teacher, and an independence activist. Okay. Now see the next picture. Who was Subhash Chandra Bose? Subhash Chandra Bose. About Subhash Chandra Bose, I would like to say some few words. Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist whose defiant patriotism made him a hero in India. So he was an Indian nationalist. Okay. He also fought for the independence. So next picture about Kalpana Chawla. Okay. So Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut. Who was she? She was an American astronaut and engineer who was the first woman of India. Who was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. So who was Kalpana Chawla? Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut and engineer who was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. So she was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. Okay, she first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. Okay, she was an American astronaut of Indian origin. Okay, now see this picture. This picture is of Saint Mother Teresa. So who was she? Mother Teresa was born in Kolkata. Okay, she was born in Kolkata and she spread love everywhere she go. Okay. So Mother Teresa was a Christian and she was born in Calcutta. Okay, she was born in Kolkata. She was purely devoted to God. Okay, she was purely devoted to God and her main aim was to serve the mankind. Okay, to serve the mankind. Now see this next picture. APJ Abdul Kalam. So this picture is of APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, so Abdul Kalam, just wait. So whose picture is this? This picture is of APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam full name was Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. Okay, he was an Indian aerospace scientist. Okay, who was he? He was an Indian aerospace scientist whose full name was Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. Okay, he was an Indian aerospace scientist who served as the 11th president of India from 2002 to 2007. Where he was born and raised in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so he was an Indian aerospace scientist and also he was the 11th president of India. Okay, so all of you understood? And see here, did you know the full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was Dr. Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin. Okay, Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. So all of you mark this line. His full name was, mark this one. His full name was Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. Everyone mark this. He lives in Indian people's heart as the Missile Man of India. So this question can also come. Underline this one, Missile Man of India. So who was the Missile Man of India? Who was known as the Missile Man of India? This question can come like this. So we can write the answer that APJ Abdul Kalam was also known as Missile Man of India and the People's President. Okay, underline this statement, Missile Man of India and the People's President. He was a scientist and engineer who served as the President of India from 2002 to 2007. Okay, now see this one. All of you lower your hand, no need to raise the hand now. Now see this one. Lower your hand, everyone. I will, after the class, after this explanation, I will ask you. Okay. Now see this B. Who is called the Flying Sikh of India? The Flying Sikh of India is known as Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh was known as Flying Sikh of India. Okay. Who is known as the saint of the gutters? Who is known as the saint of the gutters? Saint Mother Teresa. She was known as the saint of the gutters. Who was the largest serving chief minister of India? Number 3, Jyoti Basu was the largest serving chief minister of India. Okay. So Jyoti Basu was the largest serving chief minister of India. So all of you have completed. Please view the result once again. Who is called the Flying Sikh of India? Milkha Singh. Who is known as the Saint of Gutters? Saint Mother Teresa. Who was the largest serving Chief Minister of India? The answer is Jyoti Basu. Okay, all of you have completed? Okay, yes. Ayush, what happened, Ayush? Yes, Ayush? Yes, have you completed this page? Okay, okay, don't worry. Have you completed this? Completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will show you once again. Just wait. Yes, Arohi, what happened? Okay, right? I will show you once again. Don't worry. Arohi, what happened?
Ma'am, I am completed.
Very good. Very good. Show me. Yes, very nice. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Bana Bhaiya, have you completed? Very good, Arohi. Bana Bhaiya, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am, I have completed.
Show me. Very good, Bana Bhaiya. Yes. Aishani, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, tell me. Okay, so Milkha Singh is known as the Flying Sikh of India. Okay, number 2, who is known as the Saint of Gutters? Saint of the Gutters, Saint Mother Teresa. Yes.
Ma'am, why he is called?
Ma'am, why he is called milk? Why he is called
Flying Sikh of
Flying Sikh of India?
Okay. You want to know that? Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you want?
Why Milkha Singh
She
was
wants
called the
to
Flying
know
Sikh of India?
why he is called Flying Sikh of India. She wants
Okay.
to know.
Okay,
She
okay.
wants
So
to know.
Singh was persuaded by Jawaharlal Nehru to set aside his memories of the partition era to raise successfully in 1960 against Abdul Khalik in Pakistan. Okay. So where post race comment by the then General Ayub Khan led him to acquiring the nickname of the Flying Sikh. Okay. So his skill was such good. So he was given the nickname of because of the laurel he won for the India. Okay, so the praise he won for this country India. So that's why he was given this nickname as the Flying Sikh of India. Okay, understood, Aishani?
Yes, ma'am, I am understood.
Okay. Like every player, other different players have been given the different names. Okay, like many players are there who have been given the nicknames. So like this only, Milkha Singh has been also given this nickname, the Flying Sikh of India. Later on the classes means in the next class when you will go to class 3, then you will come to know more and more about this players. Okay, and their nicknames. Yes, but Irene, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have
Why APJ Abdul Kalam is called Missile Man?
APJ Abdul Kalam. Why he was called the Missile Man of India? APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yes, ma'am.
APJ Abdul Kalam was also known as Missile Man of India for his contribution to the development of India's missile projects. So he had contributed many developments to the projects of India. Okay. So for his contribution to the developments of India's missile projects like Prithvi and Agni missiles. Okay, that's why he was known as the Missile Man of India. Okay. Okay, Irene?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Rehan and Aryan, have you completed? Have you completed, Rehan and Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your book.
Very good, ma'am.
Very good children. Yes, Aryan, have you completed? Armin, have you completed? Okay,
Yes,
mute yourself.
ma'am.
Very good, Armin. Okay, mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Arvika, have you completed? Very good, Arvika.
Yes,
Okay, very good. Today I will just check your book, okay? Tomorrow I will take your revision. Yes, GB.
Yes,
Very good, GB. Okay, GB, very good. Sagnik, have you completed?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Okay, those who have completed, just lower your hand. Yes, Sampriti, very good. Very good, Sampriti.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mohsina, very good, Mohsina. Show me, Mohsina. Yes, Argha, very good. Very good, Akmal. Yes, Akmal, show me. Very good. Akmal, yesterday or some days before you were absent, no? So just follow the study material and complete your work, okay? Complete your work. Yes, Ifra, very good, Ifra. Okay, mute everyone. Very good, Ifra. Okay. Okay, drop your work. Yes, Ronak, very good. Very good, Ronak. Tirasa, have you completed?
Ma'am, I am completed. Ma'am, I have completed. I have tears. I am tears.
Very good, Tirasa. Zubaidul, have you completed, Zubaidul? Zubaidul? Have you completed, Zubaidul? Very good, Zubaidul. Very good.
Yes,
Pratyusha, have you completed? Mandeep? Very good, Mandeep. Pratyusha, have you completed? Yes.
I have.
Very good, Zubaidul. Very good, Ronak. Okay, very good, Mandeep. Very nice. Yes, Mandeep, what happened? Very good. Yes, very good. You have completed. Very nice. Okay. Arshi, very good. Very good, Arshi. Yes, Mehrab, have you completed, Mehrab?
Thank you, ma'am.
Mehrab, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am. I am completed.
Very good, very good. Arshi, have you completed? Very good, Arshi. Okay, okay. Now, Ayush, just wait. I will repeat once again. So, see, look at the screen very carefully, Ayush. See, the first picture here is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was a national activist and teacher and a reformer. Okay. So, first picture is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Second picture is of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Third picture is of Kalpana Chawla. She was the first Indian woman to go to the space. Okay, now see here, the fourth picture is of Saint Mother Teresa. Right? Right, Ayush? Write in your book. Now this picture is of APJ Abdul Kalam. Have you completed, Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. This one, B you have completed. Who is called the Flying Sikh of India? Mirkha Singh. Who is known as the Prince of the Gutters? You have not completed? Okay, complete this one. So who is called the Flying Sikh of India? Right? Milkha Singh.
Yes.
Milkha Singh, right? Milkha Singh is called the Flying Sikh of India. Now, second number, who is known as the Saint of the Gutters? Saint Mother Teresa is known as the Saint of the Gutters. Who was the largest serving Chief Minister of India? Jyoti Basu of Bengal was the largest serving Chief Minister of India. Okay. Jyoti Basu was residing in West Bengal. He was the Minister of West Bengal and he was the largest serving Chief Minister of India. Okay. So this one you have completed. The first answer is Milkha Singh. Second one is Saint Mother Teresa. Third is Jyoti Basu. Ayush, have you completed? You got the answer? Ayush, unmute yourself. You got the answer, Ayush? Okay, children. So I hope you all have completed. So all of you, what you will do, you will revise this one. Okay. And mark this. Did you know? Did you know is very important. Okay. So this one is also important. The full name of Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam is Dr. Abul Pakir. Okay. Dr. Abul Pakir. See this one. Mark from here to here. Dr. Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. And he lives in Indian people's heart as the Missile Man of India and the People's President. Okay, so mark this one. Okay, so all of you have completed.